Exam predictions for GCSE Chemistry Paper 2. Things that you should be revising to get a grade 9 in that exam. By the way, I'm going to be doing this for every single one of your GCSE papers, so be sure to follow so you do not miss out. Number 1, if you have not revised your core practicals, what are you doing? Oftentimes these are just easy marks. They're going to ask you about something that you have done. This is not applying your knowledge to a new situation. This is you understanding the chemistry behind those core practicals. Identification of ions, chromatography. Make sure that you know these because you are almost guaranteed a question on core practicals that is worth a lot of marks. Secondly, brush up on those math skills if you're not confident with them. Paper 2 in chemistry, in my opinion, was more mathematical than paper 1. It also underpins your ability to answer a lot of types of questions. For example, your rate of reaction questions. They come up every year and they're always worth a significant amount of marks. Do anticipate that your organic chemistry topics, so your pH value, alkanes, alkenes, cracking, acids, alkalis, I think it will be worth a big chunk of marks, so obviously make sure you understand it. Please don't neglect the other topics. Those topics that you think, oh, that's going to be really easy, the Earth's atmosphere, the Earth's natural resources, please make sure you actually revise them because I do think you're going to get a question on those. I do also think in terms of core practical, the test for ions will come up. And the best way I found to revise for this, because there was just so much to remember for this core practical, was by having a deck of flashcards on that one core practical. Do revise all of them, but if I had to predict, I'd say that was a one that I would predict will come up. I don't think it'll be worth as many marks, but I do think that the production of ethanol is likely to come up. Please understand the different ways in which you can do it and the advantages and disadvantages of each. And by the way, I'm not the only person who has made predictions for this paper. Go onto YouTube. There are so many YouTubers and teachers who have made their predictions and posted them online. You can also find 2025 predicted papers for all of the sciences, for each paper, for each exam board for free on the internet. I know physics and maths tutor have them, and there are definitely other websites as well. So use these in your revision. Use them to aid your revision, not guide it. If there is a topic that you're really uncomfortable with that I've not just mentioned, that doesn't mean that you can't revise it. It doesn't mean it's not going to come up. We don't know. If nothing else, one of the reasons that using predicted papers is so helpful is that you can practice under time conditions, you get to see what the mark scheme looks like, and you get to understand how to answer questions that have specific command words. Please, when you're marking your answers, try and find the examiner's report so you can learn from your own mistake and other people's mistakes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to follow for more daily GCSE tips.